So how long does a premium roofing system take to install? Today we'll be fitting Resitrix over felt on one of our garden rooms. So this isn't something we'd normally recommend for a garden room with new timber boards. It's just to give you a direct comparison to our classic bond roof over there. So it is worth pointing out though, if you did have a freestanding roof like this that was felted, a garage or similar, you didn't want to take the felt off because the boards underneath were okay, they're in good condition, then you can use Resitrix straight over the top. The main reason you would want to do this is basically to save money. So you're going to save money on the labour of putting new timber boards down and the timber boards themselves. So it is a higher end product that we'd normally recommend for larger commercial roofs or roofs with lots of detailing, but it does have fantastic overlay capabilities for roofs like this. So what I'll be doing is applying the primer, putting the Resitrix down and fully welding the seams, and then putting metal cap and trims around the perimeter to finish it off. Let's see how long it takes. So that's everything finished. You can see it took quite a bit longer than our classic bond roof next to us. It took around 3 hours to do. I've had to wait for the primer to dry. This can take 20 minutes to half an hour in warm conditions, around an hour in cold conditions. If it is a larger roof, you can have someone priming ahead of you, and that will also speed up that process. Having to weld the joints as well, that does take time. A general rule of thumb is 10 minutes per roll. On larger roofs, this should be factored in as well. So as this roof had existing arras rails, we've just used our metal cap and trims. That's not to say you can't use the shore edge trims there or even welted drips if you're a traditional roofer. Details and protrusions like skylights and pipes will add more time as well for the detailing with Resitrix. If you've got an external corner, you can probably say 15 to 20 minutes per corner and 20 minutes per pipe. Even though parts of installing Resitrix do take more time than say classic bond or Firestone roofs, there are massive time savings with the system. So not having to strip a roof or reboard it is a massive win with this system. On larger roofs you can save thousands of pounds. If you fitted Resitrix before, let us know in the comments how you got on, help some of our other subscribers.